All glory belongs to God because everything comes from Him, and this is the day that He has made, and this is the day that He has made for my father, my daddy, our family, and all glory is given to God. Wang Simpabu, Tinibu, Taitum, Suching Wibauje, and you Kayukaya, Tinibu, Ado Taitum ng Notambu, Chimutabu, Awino Shinchin Tadigi, Kohimai Mebu, Dimapuri Mebu, Union Men, Union Me, Chimtabu, Awino Shinchin Tadigi, Bulande, Punuyanang, Hianga, Pinya, teman Noksha, Mongyangbu, Mongsepu Hipap me, naman Hekemulan, Pay, Tembuching me, teman Nokshalan, Yong Mongyong Be, and you, naman, the Yong Minyong Panangi. Pinya, teman Chachin Bachi, okay, Ehalan Munong Pay, touching me. Temangau ang elongau ngau mong tanengi. Dearly beloved, we are all gathered here today to remember, to celebrate, to mourn the passing away of a father figure, of a friend to some, of a colleague to some, and a brother and a friend to some. Frankly speaking, this was not how I expected to celebrate my Father's Day this year, and it is a shock to the entire family. And before I proceed further, I just wanted to share a bit of his final hours. The build up to his final hours, because many of you might not have heard that he was sick, or that because it happened suddenly. Actually, it was my mother who was actually recovering from a surgery, and she was the one in the hospital for some time now, and my father was going back and forth from home. Prior to that, from the very beginning of the year, both of them, they have not been at the peak of their health, and just going back and forth from the hospital, visiting the doctors, and receiving some medical care. But like I said earlier, when my mother was actually the one who was in hospital, my father was the one who was attending to her from home, and but on Thursday evening at night, he had a slight discomfort, and there was a little bit of some vomiting and all. So he was taken to the hospital, and because since my mother was already there, so we thought let them keep each other company and encourage each other. And then the next day also, he was resting there on Friday. And then Saturday, also throughout the day, he was resting. But last night, after midnight, developed some complications, and in the morning, that is where he breathed his last. So it was a shock for all of us, and that is how we are here today. Since it's already a long time, I don't want to take too much time. But I just want to remember my father today, and as somebody who is very fortunate. He was a man who was blessed and used by God. That is how I would like to remember my father. Many of you have expressed in such glowing terms his achievements, his deeds in the past. But today I want to just remember my father as somebody who was used by God and to whom he was always grateful, no matter what the situation was. So he was always a person who was always grateful to God. I want to once again thank all of you for sharing in our grief in this moment, for Mommy and the rest of the children, the grandchildren, the extended family. So many of you have come and emboldened us. You have given us so much comfort. You have given us so much strength. And so I so want to mention a few people. The ENPUD Dimapur, Konyak Union the Dimapur, Wakching Area Union Dimapur, Wakching Union Dimapur, Wakching Union Kohima, our Honorable Advisor Uchaching, the Bluchingang, our President NDPP, Upachungwang, his ex-parliamentarian colleagues, and we'd also like to especially thank once again our Unity Council for extending so much cooperation and allowing us to use this place also, and also the